Helpful tips to do to get rid of snoring. Snoring can happen here and there, but when it occurs frequently, it could be an issue for you and your loved ones. It can really put a strain on everyone, as they are losing sleep because of it. Don't worry, though, something can be done about it. The tips below can help you silence the snoring. If you smoke, quit. Smoking causes respiratory issues, and may actually be causing your snoring problem. To relieve that nighttime rattling, put down the cigarettes. Not only will this help quiet your snoring, but you may also find yourself getting better sleep overall, since nicotine is well known for disrupting sleep patterns. Avoid the consumption of alcohol before you go to bed in order to refrain from snoring. Because alcohol can relax the throat muscles, they may vibrate as air passes and cause snoring to occur. Allow several hours to pass after your last alcoholic beverage before you go to sleep to minimize or eliminate snoring. Any kind of depressant may make your snoring worse than it would be if you did not ingest them. Some examples of substances you should avoid if you worried about snoring are alcohol, tranquilizers, sleeping pills, and certain antihistamines. All of these will relax your muscles and make snoring a problem. Try sleeping on your side if you snore. Your tendency to snore can be affected by your sleep position. If you always sleep on your back, your throat muscles will be more likely to snap shut as they relax. This will cause you to snore, since air cannot pass through as easily. Try switching to sleeping on your side in order to correct this. Snoring, while possibly a rare occurrence, could be a big problem if it's persistent. It affects everyone around the people afflicted, sometimes even the sufferers themselves. To better everyone's sleep, it needs to be dealt with. Putting the tips above to good use can help everyone sleep a little better. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.